Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica Savage from Life on the Savage Farm. Today we're going to be taking you out back to do a little bit of the farm life, but the main task to do today is this, of removing the nesting box. Isn't that right, Chris?
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll be removing that into the other pen we have over here, but to do a little bit of cleaning as well for today. So if y'all are ready to come hang out with us today, let's get started. For those who are new, welcome to our little channel and thanks for watching. We hope for you to stay. Please subscribe, click that bell to be notified, like, comment down below that you're new, and let's get to 200 subscribers, you guys. I am so close. Those who have been with me and you're returning for some more motivation and inspiration, thank you, because I am so thankful for all of you and all the love and support I've been receiving. Remember to give us a thumbs up before you leave, and hopefully we can get to 200 subscribers. Come on, you guys. Now that we've let all the animals out, Chris and I can start working on removing the screws and the pieces from the nesting boxes. It took a little longer than expected because some of the screws were hidden, but after a little bit of looking around, we were able to locate all the screws and get everything off.
Johnny.
The reason why we're moving this nesting box to the other pen is because I've finally condensed all of my chickens down to the 2 breeds that I really wanted to focus on. But mainly we did this so that I could have less work too. Don't ever think that farming is easy, and don't ever let anyone tell you that it's easy. I'm not sure how it looks on here for y'all when you watch me do it, but it's a lot of work. You have your moments when it's not stressful, but today Chris and I had to take numerous breaks. So I figured within those breaks y'all could see all my little farm animals that keep us company and have so much fun with. Okay, now that we got all the screws out from the front, on the top and the sides, of course what you saw, Chris was taking off up here, and I was helping him on the side over here, and then and then all the boards in the front. So then we came around to the back, and we had to take out some from the bottom down here, and then, I don't want the sun to blind y'all, and then the screws from underneath this roofing up top. Now we should be able to remove this right out from the front. What do you say, Chris?
I'd say it's nice and loose.
And ready for us to take out, huh?
Take it right off.
Okay. Okay, you talk about heavy. Dear Lord, this thing weighed more than me. I'm sure of it. I'm about 115 pounds, but this, I was praying that I wasn't going to drop it. It was one of those moments, it's all or nothing.
Thought you were going down.
I thought I was going down.
You see these little chickens? My cute little cochins and frizzles? Chris and I went ahead and took a short little break because bringing down that box took it all out of me. So I decided to clean out what we call the showboat. It's where you have to quarantine new chickens for a month before introducing them to your flock. That way no one gets sick or they don't bring anything else in or your flock gives them anything. It's just a quarantine of 30 days and everyone's good after that. I go through the nesting boxes with gloves to clean out the poop. If they perch over the box, 9 times out of 10 they're pretty good to keep it clean because that's where they lay. Once that's done, I then add new shavings to their boxes because half of the time they'll kick out the shavings trying to lay an egg in it. You better believe that I was not carrying that thing again. We walked 2 feet and it slipped from my hands after that recording. And I said to Chris, nope. So here we are like a couple of clowns pulling it in on our cart. You know the sounds you hear? Now I'm flattening out their pens so we can lay down the 4x4s on a flat surface. First, we're going to take out their old nesting box before we put the new one in.
We've had this conversation and you seem to agree with me. But when there's complications, you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem, you become like a wall. And every time I trip, it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you?
Isn't it beautiful? Look, we put it all in. Yay! Now all my chickens will have plenty of room and it looks so clean in here. But now we gotta move everything back and we got to clean the waters, the food containers, get that all nice and ready. That looks awesome.
Okay, it's time to clean out all the waterers and then we'll be working on their food containers. You guys remember in my last farm life video, the old waterers that I couldn't clean very well? They were so hard to clean, but these are fantastic. As you've seen Chris, he easily removed the lids by turning them and pulling up. Now I can clean the entire water with no problem. I do this on a weekly basis, possibly 2 times a week because of the algae that grows in it. It will start forming and creating a film in the water if you don't change it often. So you want to make sure that they always have fresh water. If not, it can slow down your egg production.
Just be my parachute. Why don't you help me?
These I'll spray down and wipe down with a soapy rag because usually all it gathers is dust from the chickens. However, when the food bowl is completely empty, I'll then go ahead and wash it before filling it up again with a new bag of feed. Last but not least, our duck pond. Yes, ducks are very dirty, but surprisingly easier to take care of than chickens. No joke. And this pond we only have to change out once a week, which I'm thankful for that. I'm putting in a pump that blows out the water for us. This was a lifesaver for us, you guys. We found it at our local thrift store for only $15. Best thing ever. We pump out the water, we then spray down the pond, get out the leaves, their feathers, and then fill it right back up. This was nice. This was fun, you guys. Glad you could join me out on the farm today. Hope you enjoyed this because besides the farm life, I do cleaning, cooking, makeovers, organization videos, and whatever else I can fit on here for y'all to watch. Remember to subscribe to my channel, click that bell, like, comment, and share. Let's get this channel to 200 subscribers, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm glad to have you be a part of our YouTube family. Your love and support is fantastic, and I can't thank you enough. Head over to my Instagram and follow me there as well. Lots of Insta stories and photos to share with you guys, but would like to get to know each and every one of you. That's it for today, so I guess I will see you guys again right back here with a brand new video. Bye!